welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this IDM pop-up option. I noticed it has been affecting some devices. My device was one of the victims. So what I did is, first I went to my extensions, my options. I click on manage extension for my IDM, then I viewed the extension on the Chrome Web Store. After which I removed it. After removing, I added it back to Chrome. Say add extension. Be sure to do this. If you manually search the extension in the Chrome Web Store, you will not find it. Okay, after that, this pop-up, give it some time. This pop-up did not appear. I then proceeded to IDM, clicked helped, and then I checked for updates. After checking for updates, it worked. I believe the issue must have been a Chrome update and IDM was not up to date because my IDM normally auto updates. The check did not match the Chrome update. So if this assists you, leave a like and subscribe. We checked for new version. Now I'm using the latest because of the fix. That's it, guys. If this video helps you, remember to leave a like and share. Okay, thank you.